How's your aunt?
You can see it from the front until you see it from the back. Back till you see it back, yeah. Back till you see it from the back, back till you see it from the back. If you can see it from the front until you see it from the back. Way to dip, way to feel the mood. Know you like that shit, good, baby. Heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta get some blues, she the best of me. Still worry that I wasted the best of me on your big girl, yeah. I'm tryna be a nuisance, it's a burden. Tryna make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, think he was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arms, feel it is now. Still wanna try, still believing.
Good morning, y'all. This morning we're going to Starbucks. I want me a frappe this morning, and maybe this afternoon we'll maybe get something to eat here, but I don't know yet. Definitely gonna try to get a frappe right quick. You got lattes?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay.
Small. Vanilla. Add some sugar. Sugar's gonna be okay. Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna do a caramel frappuccino.
Okay.
A tall, and can I get extra caramel, please?
There it is.
They got like a real Starbucks in here. Period. Thank you. Okay, we made it to breakfast, y'all. Let me go ahead and make my little plate. Let's see what it do. First of all, I gotta find the plates. Okay, there they go. Okay, I'm gonna show you my plate when it's done. I got my orange juice. We got our breakfast, waffles, eggs, sausage, potatoes. And then, this was last minute, but I put my ketchup and everything goes on the end.
Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes, I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect, all of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect, I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she buys.
One time for the lobby. It's so cute in here, y'all. I was just sitting at this little nook, just kicking it. So cute. I wish I had a video to edit, but my footage is still on my iPad. Don't ask me how, yeah. But we are about to ride the train. We wanted to do a little adventure today, so here it is. It's a really nice day outside. It's sunny and it's a cool breeze. We just waiting till we get on the train. It looked like they having some kind of event, y'all. We came up from the train to, so we just got off the train. It looks like we are downtown. They're having some kind of event here, food trucks and everything of that sort. So we about to see what it be about. Okay, we made it to the park, y'all. There you go, Walgreens. We done came trying to find some of y'all.
Look, they got some stuff that's open. They got some stuff open now. It says man stop.
Y'all, they are literally playing chess in front of the park. Look, she threw.
You just ride through or you got Instagram or what? Found by the mayor. Found by the, thank you. Oh.
Y'all ain't booking, fuck y'all.
Oh, there it is.
We finally made it back to Hudson Grill for the 3rd day in a row. Pretty good here.
Right here? I'm right? Okay.
Thank you.
No. What do you mean? Got to do better.
You gotta choose better. You gotta get mad enough to put that shit. Look, it's a custodian girl at our job when I met her last year. Yeah, you wanna sit with me? Use your words. They do it. Okay, I'll take some notes.
Okay, y'all, our food finally came. We got the sliders with fries, the chicken tenders for the kids meal, and then of course again we got the chicken nachos, extra chicken, sour cream queso, and jalapenos. Period. Daddy. This is the video. This is the video. Yeah.
Exit here for Georgia Tech. The first station for the arts at Georgia Tech. Fox Theater.
Y'all would not believe we checked into another hotel and we brought the dog this time. Okay, so we're at the Hilton. This is the bathroom. I didn't even really give y'all a tour of the last room, but this is the bathroom. And then let me show y'all the view. Hi, Mom. Hi, Aaron.
It's on me again.
Oh, whatever. We got another view on the 24th floor this time, y'all. So we about to figure out some pizza and then I'm gonna call y'all back. Y'all, now we went and got another room. I just cannot believe we wanted to really enjoy our little weekend. Y'all, look at how deep it is. We're on the 24th floor. It's so cute in here, y'all. Look. They got like 4 restaurants, so we finna see what it be about. Period. And they got dogs. I wonder, do they have hookah? Let me see.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch.
So I'm about to check out this other spot called Marketplace just to see what they have in there. But I feel like it's gonna be like every other marketplace I have been to, which is just snacks, you know, little souvenirs and bullshit. Let's see. Just like I said, it's a little store with souvenirs and snacks. Let me see. I just want some water. Cause if I wanted like
pepperoni or cheese.
That's the only 2 you make?
Yes.
That's how small it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be back. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, they got the can-dried cashews, pecans and stuff too. Let me see. I'm gonna come back. What time do y'all open? I'm sorry.
6.
You have these at 6?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So I'm gonna go to the room first and then I'm gonna tell like my family what I seen downstairs and then we're gonna come back because we might just order pizza tonight, you know. We're not gonna do the most. I wonder what's back there. I need me a little boo to do this kind of shit with. Damn. I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. You had some food from downstairs?
Nah, my people eat it though.
Oh, okay. I was hoping that the closing elevator was gonna let me in, because I honestly did not want to go to the one that you can see outside, because I'm in the elevator by myself and I don't want to have a panic attack seeing it go up so high. Let me check on my family and my dog and all them. Let me see where the ice machine and stuff at. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna be right back once again.